Global trade tensions are stirring again, but this time it's artificial intelligence reshaping where the money flows. From Washington to Beijing, AI innovation remains a top priority. So, how are tariffs affecting the future of machine learning globally? You're about to find out. Here's what we're covering today. AI's pivotal role amid global trade wars, Penn State's breakthrough in industrial AI, Oracle's AI-driven leadership shift, AI adoption in marketing by MentionMe, and Kahoot's smart study tools for students. If you want daily AI news updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss the stories that will shape tomorrow's AI landscape. Amid ongoing US-China tariff tensions, AI continues to attract major capital. Federal subsidies aim at growing innovation hubs in Silicon Valley and Beijing. Despite a 40% drop in overall investment, AI-specific funding is surging. Are we watching the next tech arms race unfold? Let's turn to our next topic. At Penn State, researchers developed a powerful AI system that identifies laser welding defects with unprecedented accuracy. By breaking down complex process data, this tech may revolutionize precision manufacturing. Next, Oracle just announced new co-CEOs, Clay Magouyrk and Mike Sicilia, both cloud veterans with experience in enterprise AI. The move signals Oracle's aggressive AI and cloud push under this new leadership structure. In other news, MentionMe tapped a new CEO to steer its AI-driven referral platform for smarter customer targeting. It's proof that AI is not just about tech, it's reinventing digital marketing from the core. Moving on, Kahoot launched a suite of AI-powered learning tools aimed at helping students succeed this academic year. From quiz generators to offline AI practice, Kahoot blends personalization with productivity like never before. This video is supported by ClassKid, an AI-powered education platform that makes professional tutoring affordable for every child everywhere. Visit the link in the description to learn more. ClassKid. Every child is a genius. To wrap up, whether it's industrial manufacturing, global finance, or back-to-school learning, AI is no longer optional. It's embedded in the future. Which breakthrough do you think has the biggest impact? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for daily AI news updates and turn on notifications. Like, comment, and share to keep us growing and help more people stay informed on AI.